Hey everyone, welcome to RGB Web Tech, where we simplify tech for you. In this video, we will talk about why machine learning matters. Machine learning matters because it plays a central role in transforming data into meaningful, actionable insights, powering many of the technologies we rely on today. Its importance comes from several key factors. 1. Unlocks the value of big data. Modern life generates massive amounts of data. ML can analyze this information quickly and accurately, revealing patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to detect manually. 2. Improves decision-making. Organizations use ML to make smarter, data-driven decisions, whether predicting customer behavior, detecting fraud, or optimizing business operations. This leads to better outcomes and greater efficiency. 3. Drives automation. ML enables systems to automate complex tasks, from email filtering to supply chain optimization. This reduces repetitive work, lowers costs, and increases productivity. 4. Enhances personalization. ML powers personalized recommendations on platforms like streaming services, online stores, and social media. By learning user preferences, it creates more engaging and relevant experiences. 5. Fuels innovation in key industries. ML is revolutionizing fields such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and education. It supports early disease detection, improves risk assessment, powers autonomous vehicles, and enables adaptive learning tools. 6. Enables adaptive and self-improving systems. Unlike traditional software, ML systems improve over time as they process more data, making them increasingly accurate and effective. 7. Supports problem-solving at scale. ML helps tackle global challenges like climate modeling, energy efficiency, disaster prediction, and scientific research. In short, machine learning matters because it strengthens decision-making, increases efficiency, and drives innovation, making it a foundational technology shaping the future. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment with your question, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, and take care.